इस बार स्पेशल होंगे?
हीरो इंडियन ओपन इस बार ही ज्यादा बेटर इसलिए है कि पहली बार से प्राइज मनी ज्यादा हो गया है। आपने अभी सुना तुष दरोगा जी से कि गोल्फ कोर्स कितना अच्छा हो गया है। देन वी हैव गुड प्लेयर्स लाइक अक्षय भाटिया, पहली बार आ रहा है, ऑल्दो ही इज एन इंडियन बट ही इज इंडो अमेरिकन एंड ही जस्ट वन ए टूर्नामेंट, इतना बड़ा टूर्नामेंट जीता अर्जुन पामर का। सो एंड ही इज 19th in the world. And then Molinari. So all these are three major things. Golf course is good, prize money is big, good players and big field. What else you want? It will be a success. It will be a great success.
Witness a new pool of players this time, considering the fact that this league has provided many players over the years. What is the number about it?
It's around 148 players.
Sir, does the situation around the world which is happening right now affecting this league in any way?
So you're right, a very pertinent question, and it goes in every mind. It is so we were expecting players to come to us, like we are getting difficulty in getting flights or getting visas and things like that. I have not received any such thing, and the full field is going to come, except one odd player, but we have sorted that out, and everybody is going to come here. So there is no issue as of now for players to come, and we'll have the tournament in the way is bigger than what last year we had.
Sir, on the Team India's T20 World Cup as well, who better person to say on that? Can you share some words on Team India's T20 World Cup victory?
Obviously, cricket is our national fever, you will say. It binds the whole country. And we, as a golfer, also want to reach that level. And it's a matter of time. You see, the golf will reach. It's a matter of 5 to 10 years. Because you see, for cricket, hand-eye coordination is same as golf. So why we are not performing so well in golf is because the game has not reached to masses. You see, जनता के पास नहीं गई है गेम। जब ये masses के पास पहुंचेगा, हमारे पास टैलेंट बहुत है, पोटेंशियल बहुत है, पहुंचते। तो हमने इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि हम जाएंगे masses के पास, और इसलिए हमने गोल्फ ऑन व्हील्स लगाया है कि हमने एक मोबाइल वैन लिया है जिसके ऊपर सारे इक्विपमेंट्स होती है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू प्लानिंग टू गो टू ऑल द स्कूल्स. So if masses cannot reach, we will reach to the masses. And that's an initiative IGU is taking, Indian Golf Union.
DLF circuit is one of the toughest to play on, greatest circuits. What on that, kaisa hai overall circuit?
It is a tough course. As Tush Daroga said, Rory McIlroy, it's his wish to play in, number one wish to play in a course like DLF Golf. So it is a tough course. It is not for everybody. But you see, better players perform. If you are good, you will perform in toughest course. So it's as good, as tough as any other course, and as good as any other course in world. As he said, the vice president of DLF, that he is getting grass from Masters Augusta. That's a big thing. That's the best golf course and the biggest championship in the world. So we are getting grass from there. So obviously this is going to be a really good game. You all must come and watch.
And sir, थोड़ा सा एक off the topic है सवाल, sports and cricket competition है कि 2000 में बोला कि क्रिकेट में जो है रिलीजन नहीं आना चाहिए, because जो हमारे टीम के कैप्टन हैं वो ट्रॉफी मंदिर में देगा. Do you think it is the right thing to do or not? Over on that.
I can't comment on that. It's a personal what he wants to say. I can't comment.